Model, 67-plate Renault Kangoo Maxi LL21 Business Energy 1.5 DCI starts runs needs clutch VAT inclusive Euro 6 bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 131360. MOT, the 27th of September 2025. Engine, 1461 cc K9 K90 Energy E6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The clutch pedal is on the floor so will need replacing. Engine still starts and sounds perfect. Straightforward simple clutch replacement job. VAT is included in the final price up to bargain. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work.